We are conducting sessions, series of sessions based on basic concepts of chemistry. All your series of sessions also be done. All are available at Dr. Kavita Chemistry Academy channel. So all year it will be World of Competitive Chemistry. Who gave the law of multiple proportions? Avogadro, Gay-Lussac, John Dalton, Joseph Proust. So among all, which is the correct answer for law of multiple proportions we need to identify, right? So John Dalton is the correct answer. That is provided in option number 3. So law of multiple proportions given by John Dalton. The law of multiple proportions, also known as Dalton's law, because it was announced in the year 1803 by the English chemist John Dalton. Law of multiple proportions, what does it mean? If two elements can combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element that combine with fixed mass of another element, or in the ratio of small whole numbers, right? Hydrogen combines with oxygen, for example, to form two compounds like water and hydrogen peroxide. When hydrogen and oxygen combine together, water formation taken place. In terms of their weights, 2 grams of hydrogen got combined with 16 grams of oxygen and 18 grams of water formed. This is according to their molecular weights. If hydrogen oxygen combined, there is another proximity for hydrogen peroxide formation as well. 2 grams of hydrogen combined with 32 grams of oxygen, so that 34 grams of hydrogen peroxide got generated. Masses of oxygen 16 grams in water, 32 grams in hydrogen peroxide, combining 2 grams of hydrogen. Bearing the simple ratio, 16 is depicted for oxygen weight in the water formation, 32 grams for the hydrogen peroxide formation. 16 is to 32, nothing but 1 is to 2. This is called what? Law of multiple proportions taken. Law of multiple proportion. Multiple proportions giving rise to multiple products, that is given by John Dalton, right? So here another scientist also mentioned Avogadro. Avogadro stated that equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules. So equal number of molecules are present in accordance with the Avogadro's law. Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume. What does it mean? The gases combine in a simple ratio by volume when they are kept in a constant temperature and pressure. Gay-Lussac law means for the gaseous volume. Here the gases combine the simple ratio by the volume. They are kept constant at the temperature and pressure is Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume. So among all, the correct answer will be law of multiple proportions given by John Dalton, that is provided in the option number 3. Signing off, Dr. Kavita Kottireddy Kota.